హాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో 4th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ సెమిస్టర్ 1 యూనిట్ 1 లెట్స్ రీకాల్. ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో ఇదే యూనిట్లో వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 9 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్ల గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. దానికి కంటిన్యూషన్గా పార్ట్ 2 వర్క్షీట్ 10 నుంచి 18 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి గురించి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3, 4, 5 తరగతుల అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్ బుక్స్, వాటి యొక్క వర్క్షీట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోల కోసము, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్స్ కోసము, అలాగే టీచర్స్కి, స్టూడెంట్స్కి, మన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి సంబంధించి అప్ టు డేట్గా వచ్చేటువంటి అన్ని రకాల టాపిక్స్ మీద అన్ని రకాల వీడియోస్ కూడా మన ఛానల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి మొదటిసారి కనుక ఎవరైనా ఛానల్ చూస్తుంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అట్లాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్ 10లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వర్క్షీట్ 10 సబ్ టాపిక్ డివిజన్. 6 apples were shared equally between 2 friends. How many apples did each one get? Number of friends 2. Number of apples 6. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 2. 3. Number of apples each one get, that is 3. 24 mango trees are planted equally in 6 rows. How many trees are there in each row? Number of mango plants 24. Number of rows 6. Number of trees in each row 24 into 6, that is 4 plants. Number of plants in each row 4 plants. How many 5 rupees notes can you get for 100? Total amount 100. Each note value rupees 5. Number of notes 100 divided by 5, 20 notes. Balu bought 7 kg onions worth rupees 350. Find the cost of 1 kg onion. Worth of onions 350. Number of kgs 7. Cost of 1 kg onions 350 divided by 7, 50. Therefore, cost of 1 kg onions rupees 50. The product of two numbers is 91. If one number is 7, what is the other number? Product of two numbers, that is 91. One number is 7. Second number, for getting second number, we have to divide the product of two numbers by the first number, that is 91 divided by 7. The second number is 13. Worksheet number 11, subtopic measurements. Mention some objects which are weighed in kilograms. Rice, sugar, dal, onions, fruits, etc. Number 2, mention some objects which are weighed in grams. Biscuits, tea, powder, coffee, toothpaste, soaps, eggs, slates, etc. Draw some instruments that we use to measure the weight of objects. Student activity. Next one, complete the table. Contents. Grams means eggs. Biscuits, grams. Watermelon, kgs. Next one, rice, kgs. Slate, grams. Worksheet number 12, subtopic measurement. Number 1, what are the instruments we use to measure the length of the objects? We use rulers, vernier calipers, micrometer, screw gauges, measuring tape, and odometers the most. These are we are using to measure the length of the objects. What are the units of length? The units of length are meter, centimeter, millimeter. Write the names of 3 objects whose length can be measured in meters. Windows, frames, TV screens, etc. would be measured in meters. Write the names of 3 objects whose length can be measured in centimeters. Trousers length, length of fish, car tires radius, pen cap length. Name 3 objects whose length can be measured by using a scale. Length of bed sheet, sofa, screwdriver, etc. Worksheet number 13, subtopic measurement. Give examples for some liquids which are measured in liters in our daily life. They are milk, oil, water, etc. are measured in liters. Number 2, give examples for some liquids which are measured in milliliters in our daily life. They are syrup, shampoo, and honey. Etc. are measured in milliliters. Write some in Write some instances where liquids are measured by more than 1 liter. They are mineral water, cooking oil, etc. measured by more than 1 liter. Write appropriate units for measuring the items given below. Milk, milliliters. Oil, milliliters. Water, liter. Syrup, milliliters. Hand wash or shampoo, milliliters. Worksheet number 14, subtopic time. How many months are there in a year? Write the names of them. 12 months are there in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many days are there in a year? 365 are in a leap year. There are 366 days in a year. How many days are there in the month of April? 30 days are there in the month of April. Number 4. Write the names of months with 30 days only. April, June, September and November. All these months having only 30 days. Write the date of birth of your friend in date, month, year format. Student own answer means student activity. Worksheet number 15, subtopic time. Write the number of minutes for the hours given below. First one, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 3 hours, 3 into 60, 180 minutes. 5 hours, 5 into 60, 300 minutes. 6 hours, 6 into 60, 360 minutes. Number 2, write the number of equivalent hours for the following minutes. 120 minutes means 120 divided by 60, 2 hours. 240 minutes, 240 divided by 60, 4 hours. 420 minutes, 420 divided by 60, 7 hours. Observe the clocks given below and write the times shown by them. First one, 3 o'clock. Second one, 12:15. Third one, 4:30. Next, fourth one, 7:45. Sorry, actually it is 6:45. Next one, fourth one, draw the given time on the clock pictures given below. 1 o'clock, 4:30, 9:50, 10:40. Worksheet number 16, subtopic geometry. Write the names of the objects which are in round shape. Ball, fruits, marble, coconut, clock. Write the names of the objects which look like a box. Matchbox, pencil box, wood box, first aid box. Write the names of the objects which have either a flat surface or a curved surface. Wall, TV screen, table fan, doors, whistles. Complete the following table. Name of the object, dosa. Next, book, matchbox, laddu, chalk piece box. Next one, carrot. Worksheet number 17, subtopic fractions. Take 3 figures which are divided into equal parts. This one divided into 2 equal parts. This one also divided into 4 equal parts. This one also divided into 2 equal parts. This one also divided into equal parts. Second one, shade exactly half of the given pictures. First half, first half, first half. Half of the picture, half of the picture. Worksheet number 18, subtopic data handling. Write tally marks for the following numbers. 2, 2 tally marks. 3, 3 tally marks. Write the tally marks for the given numbers of students. 3, 3 tally marks. For 4, 4 tally marks. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Complete the following table. Fruit. Number of fruits 3, tally marks 3. Mangoes 2, tally marks 2. Apple 1, tally mark 1. Guava 3, tally mark 3. Papaya 4, tally marks 4. ఇది మనకి వర్క్షీట్ 10 to 18 10 నుంచి 18 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకొక మంచి వీడియోలో ఇంకొక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.